Let's end today with the practical word teleprompter.
Well, maybe the teleprompter can help.
Do not deviate from that teleprompter.
The teleprompter is a device that displays a script so a speaker can read while maintaining eye contact with the audience. It's a noun. You'll see teleprompters used in news broadcasts, speeches, and even online videos.
The teleprompter's still running.
Okay, Dad, teleprompter's ready to go.
Here are examples. 1. Politicians often rely on a teleprompter during major events. 2. She uses a teleprompter so she can speak smoothly on camera. Even professionals use tools, and that's perfectly fine. One expression at a time, building better English every day. This is part 4, and we're just getting started. Now it's time to test how well these words truly stuck. The quiz is coming up next.